Hi, I'm Mirta, a product manager here at Pagos. In this video, I want to focus on analyzing cost in charts. We'll cover the 3 cost metrics available, when to use each one, and how to uncover insights in your data. One of the big benefits of charts is that it's interactive. You can filter, break data down in different ways, and just as importantly, save your analysis and come back to it later. That makes charts a great place to explore questions, not just review reports. When it comes to cost, there are 3 metrics available in charts: fee amount, interchange amount, and interchange effective rate. They're related, but answer a very different question. There's the bigger picture question, what am I paying in total? And the deeper question, why do certain transactions cost more than others? Let's walk through what each metric is and when to use them. Let's start with fee amount. Fee amount gives you a complete view of your cost. It includes all fee types: processor fees, network fees, and even fees that aren't tied to individual transactions like monthly or platform level fees. Because of that, fee amounts works across all supported processors where we have cost data. It's the same underlying data you see in the cost dashboard, just unlocked in a more flexible way. In charts, you can apply filters and breakdowns to see how costs vary by processor or connection, which fee types drive spend, and how fees trend over time. This is the metric you should start with for overall cost visibility or when you're identifying your biggest cost drivers. The second metric is interchange amount. Interchange amount is part of the transaction level fee reporting. Instead of aggregate fees, you're looking at interchange cost attributed to individual transactions. This metric only includes interchange, no processor markups or other costs. The dollar amount will be lower than fee amount, but the trade-off is precision. With interchange amount, you can understand how interchange behaves based on card type, issuing country, BIN, or transaction attributes that influence network pricing. Processor support here is more limited because this requires complete transaction level interchange data. Please refer to our documentation to see which processors are currently supported. The third metric is interchange effective rate. Interchange effective rate normalizes interchange by transaction amount, so you're looking at relative cost. This is useful when comparing different segments, card mixes, or transactions of different sizes. If I look at interchange amount by card brand, I can see that I'm paying most of my interchange to Visa, with MasterCard being second. If I now switch to interchange effective rate, I can see that per dollar amount of sales, Amex and Discover actually cost more. This helps me understand the true cost of accepting different cards. We see the same when breaking it down by issuing country. Here, Norway is the most expensive by dollar sales. But when we switch to interchange amount, showing us the total interchange cost, we see that by far, most of the interchange comes from the US, giving me a more informed decision on where to focus my attention. A simple way to think about cost in charts. If you're asking, how much am I paying overall, or how do my costs break down, and how do they trend over time, start with fee amount. If you're asking, what transactions have the highest interchange cost, move to interchange amount or effective rate, depending on whether you care about absolute dollars or relative cost. To summarize, fee amount is your big picture cost metric. Interchange amount and interchange effective rate are your precision tools for understanding network cost at the transaction level. Use charts when you want flexibility, exploration, and analysis you can save and revisit. For all your cost questions, go to charts, start broad with fee amount, or switch to the interchange metrics when you want to zoom in. This is where cost visibility turns into real insight.